Rich people are often private with their lives and the way they manage their finances. We see them going shopping or spending their money on expensive foods, but is that all that they do with their money? Of course not. These people are smarter than you think, as they value their finances more than you could ever imagine. Today, we'll be discovering the rules that rich people keep from us in terms of their finances. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. The rule of protection. Have you ever questioned the reason behind your daily routine of waking up early and going to work? Chances are it's not because you enjoy the early mornings and the constant supervision from your boss throughout the day. It's certainly not for enduring the frustration of rush hour traffic in the morning and evening. Most people work to provide themselves with a roof over their heads and food on their table, with the hope of saving something for retirement in the distant future. While many people can generate income, they often lack the necessary skills to protect and optimize their financial journey, delaying their path to achieving true financial freedom. The concept of possessing the skill of protection is beyond mere financial management. It delves into the realm of safeguarding your hard-earned money from great loss, dollar by dollar. It encompasses the ability to resist the temptation of immediate gratification and instead make choices that could improve your financial state in the future. To possess the skill of protection means withstanding the temptation call of a shiny, new car that may demand 5 long years of repayments. It necessitates having the mentality that urges you to keep pace with your peers in terms of material possessions, driven solely by the desire to impress neighbors or friends. It demands unwavering strength and resilience to maintain your course and deflect these distractions that hinder your progress toward the ultimate goal of financial freedom. The key factor that distinguishes the poor from the rich is their mindset when it comes to money. Individuals with poor money management skills often acquire liabilities such as expensive cars or houses, while those with good financial states focus on acquiring assets that generate income. They invest in stocks or real estate, assets that typically increase in value. Being wise with your financial decisions is what sets apart those who struggle financially from those who achieve wealth. Just as you can't keep a bucket full of water if it has holes, you cannot solely rely on increasing your income to build wealth. Rule of time. Unfortunately, many individuals fail to recognize the role time plays in accumulating wealth. Consequently, most people spend their lives in a state of financial mediocrity or even worse, exchanging hours for dollars. However, those who truly understand the concept of time tend to excel in managing their finances. For example, if you work an hourly job, you are essentially trading 1 hour of your time for the corresponding wage. Unless you earn a substantial hourly wage, it is highly unlikely that you will become wealthy solely by working a job that pays you based on hours worked. This is a concept the rich have long understood, which is why many low-wage jobs compensate employees on an hourly basis. By using this payment structure, they prevent others from attaining wealth. Another important aspect of time is that it becomes increasingly scarce as we grow older. Responsibilities such as raising children or nurturing a relationship require our time and cannot be outsourced to others. However, the wealthy have found ways to manage their time more effectively. They look beyond their own limited 24 hours and explore opportunities to build wealth. If we examine the world's wealthiest individuals, we will find that most of them are business owners who have leveraged the skills, capital, time, and expertise of others. This strategy is important in their initial and sustained accumulation of wealth. When you are in the process of learning a new skill, it naturally takes time and there is no shortcut to bypassing it. However, as you become more successful, you have the ability to delegate tasks that are not worth your time to others. For instance, millionaires rarely mow their lawns or change the oil in their cars. They recognize that such tasks are not the best use of their time and choose to pay others to handle them. Once you grasp the concept of managing time, both your own and that of others, the journey to building wealth becomes significantly easier. Rule of minimal savings. During our childhood, we were taught the saying, "A penny earned is a penny saved." However, what we were not taught is how inflation impacts the value of our savings over time. As we save money each year, its purchasing power diminishes due to inflation. For instance, if you stashed away $1,000 under your mattress a decade ago, that amount would only possess the buying power equivalent of $732 in today's currency. This raises the question, is saving money a misguided approach? If so, how do we do it properly? Let's explore why saving money is still important. Firstly, every individual must establish an emergency fund. This fund should only be tapped into during crucial circumstances, such as a major vehicle repair or essential home maintenance like replacing a hot water tank or furnace. It should not be used for purchasing the latest iPhone model or any other discretionary expenses. Hence, it is advisable to aim for accumulating 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses as a safety net for unexpected events. Any additional funds should be directed towards investments that have the potential to grow your money. This could include options such as stocks, bonds, index or mutual funds, cryptocurrency, or real estate. For instance, if you had invested $1,000 in an index fund that tracks the market 10 years ago, that initial sum would now be valued at $2,634. Alternatively, if you had purchased $1,000 worth of Bitcoin 10 years ago, which would have equated to 50 Bitcoins, today it would be valued at $1,150,000. Investing has never been more accessible, as you can engage in it around the clock from your smartphone. While it is enjoyable to possess luxurious items, the satisfaction derived from financial security and freedom is ultimately more fulfilling. Real wealth lies in attaining financial security, freedom from a life without debt, and the autonomy to make choices without external control. Well, there goes the secret money rules that rich people keep from you. Always remember to think smart in dealing with your finances so you won't have to suffer in the future. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.